Did you know garlic could do this to your body? Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we peel back the layers of the humble garlic, often relegated to the role of a simple kitchen staple. For centuries, garlic has been revered for its potent medicinal properties, a fact that modern science is now echoing in its studies. From boosting your immune system to improving your heart health and even promoting bone health, garlic's benefits are truly incredible. Stay tuned to discover the incredible health benefits of garlic. Firstly, garlic is a powerful immune booster. This humble bulb is packed with compounds like allicin, which are known to help our immune system fight off germs. In fact, a number of studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can lead to a significant reduction in the number of colds one experiences. It's not just an old wives' tale, it's scientifically backed up. So next time you feel a cold coming on, try reaching for some garlic. Next up, garlic can help your heart. This pungent bulb is a dynamo for heart health. It's believed to lower total and LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol that can lead to heart disease. But garlic's benefits don't stop there. Studies suggest it may reduce blood pressure as effectively as some standard medications. So, if you're looking to keep your ticker in tip-top shape, it might be worth adding a little more garlic to your diet. Garlic really does seem to be our heart's best friend. And it doesn't stop there. Garlic can even help your bones. Yes, you heard it right. Garlic, this tiny culinary powerhouse, appears to have some benefits for bone health, particularly by increasing estrogen levels in females. Studies have shown that garlic can minimize bone loss by enhancing estrogen in the body. Thus, it's not just about adding flavor to your food, it's also about giving your bones the strength they need. But wait, there's more. Garlic's benefits extend beyond the immune system, heart, and bones. It's also believed to help with detoxification. The sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. Moreover, garlic has been used for centuries to boost physical performance, helping reduce fatigue and enhance work capacity. And let's not forget its potential to contribute to longevity thanks to its powerful antioxidant properties. Garlic truly is a superfood, isn't it? As we've seen, garlic packs a powerful health punch. From boosting the immune system to improving heart health and even promoting bone well-being, it's clear that this humble bulb is a superfood in its own right. Let's take a quick journey back through the health benefits we've explored today. We started with the immune system, discussing how garlic's potent compounds can help fend off colds and other pesky ailments. Then we delved into heart health, a concern for many, and discovered that garlic can assist in maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. We then ventured into the realm of bone health, where garlic showed promise in aiding our skeletal structure, particularly in women. But the health benefits of garlic don't stop there. From its potential to detoxify heavy metals in the body to its role in longevity, garlic truly is a wonder bulb. But remember, while garlic is a fantastic supplement to a healthy diet, it doesn't replace the need for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Think of it as an extra tool in your health arsenal, a little extra help to keep you feeling your best. And with that, we conclude our journey through the health benefits of garlic. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a world of health knowledge waiting to be explored. If you found this video useful, subscribe to The Altruist for more health-related videos. Remember, your health is your wealth.